Hi, I'm Adam from Flash Parking. Today I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to self-service your mini smart station using our Flash Care Maintenance Kit. The kiosk you see here is a fully loaded mini smart station, but no matter the hardware setup of your mini, the process of changing components will be the same. To access components in the mini smart station, it's necessary to remove the front faceplate from the machine to get at them. And I will show you how to do that. To open the smart station, you'll need to unlock the kiosk faceplate from the bottom of the machine. Once you've turned the key to the unlocked position, pull down on the faceplate to dislodge it from the locks on the inside. Once you feel the faceplate shift down slightly, pull out on the bottom of the machine with the key and on the edge of the faceplate to remove the faceplate from the bottom. Then, once you have the bottom of the faceplate pulled out from the machine, you want to pull out on the top. As you're pulling the faceplate off of the unit, be aware that all of your components are attached to the faceplate and the wiring will be as well. With that in mind, be gentle and move slowly when removing the unit and be careful not to pinch or pull any wires in the process. So now we'll go over the components of the mini smart station, which is for the most part identical to the components in our standard smart station. The two primary differences being the monitor, instead of a tablet, which is in our regular smart station, here we have just an LCD screen, and down here the mini smart station is also fitted with an external computer. Otherwise, the components are generally the same. We have our relay board, our scanner, and on the other side of the unit, our credit card reader, USB hub, and behind the USB hub is our amplifier. And here is the prox card reader on the mini kiosk. And the last component I would point out that they have in common is a power supply here at the bottom of the mini. Since most of the components in the mini smart station are identical to those in our standard smart station, the process of replacing them is the same. For more information on replacing parts in our smart stations, you can see our other instructional videos.